If you watched our Bitcoin video, you already know the basics of crypto. But there's a question a lot of beginners ask after learning about Bitcoin. Okay, so what's Ethereum? Is it just another Bitcoin? Should I buy it instead? Or as well? In the next few minutes, I'm going to answer all of that. And by the end, you'll understand exactly what Ethereum is, why it matters, and how it's completely different from Bitcoin. Let's start with the most important thing to understand. Bitcoin was created to be one thing: digital money. A store of value, digital gold. That's it. Ethereum was created to be something much bigger. It's not just a currency, it's a programmable blockchain, essentially a global computer that anyone in the world can build on top of. Ethereum was created by a programmer named Vitalik Buterin and launched in July 2015. Buterin had a simple but revolutionary idea. What if a blockchain could do more than just send money? What if it could run programs? Those programs are called smart contracts, and this is the key idea that makes Ethereum so powerful. A smart contract is basically an agreement that runs automatically on the blockchain. No bank, no lawyer, no middleman needed. Think of it like a vending machine. You put in money, you press a button, and the machine automatically gives you what you paid for. No human needed to make that happen. Smart contracts work the same way. When certain conditions are met, the contract executes automatically. The rules are written in code and nobody can change them. This unlocked something completely new. Suddenly, developers could build entire applications on top of Ethereum. Lending platforms where you borrow money without a bank. Art markets where creators sell directly to buyers. Games where players actually own their items. This whole world is called DeFi, decentralized finance, and Ethereum is the foundation it's built on. You've probably also heard of NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Those were built on Ethereum too. The most expensive NFT ever sold went for $69 million, and it was an Ethereum transaction. Now let's talk numbers. Ethereum launched at just a few dollars in 2015. By 2021, it had crossed $4,000. It crashed hard in 2022, dropping below $1,000. Then it recovered. In August 2025, it hit an all-time high of nearly $5,000. As of today, it's trading around $2,000, which means it's actually more than 50% below its all-time high. Some investors see that as a risk. Others see it as an opportunity. Unlike Bitcoin, which has a hard limit of 21 million coins, Ethereum has no maximum supply. There are currently around 120 million ETH in circulation. However, in 2022, Ethereum made a massive upgrade called the Merge, switching from an energy-intensive system to a much greener one that uses over 99% less energy. This also introduced a mechanism that burns a portion of transaction fees, which slows down the growth of new supply. So the big question: Bitcoin or Ethereum? The honest answer is they serve different purposes. Bitcoin is digital gold, a store of value, a hedge against inflation, simple and secure. Ethereum is a programmable platform, more versatile, more complex, with more use cases, but also more moving parts and more risk. Many investors hold both. If Bitcoin is the foundation, Ethereum is the city built on top of it. If you want to buy Ethereum, the easiest way in Europe is through crypto.com. The link is in the description below. You can start with as little as €10 and buy a fraction of 1 ETH. Just remember, crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is not financial advice, but if you want to understand the future of money, Ethereum is one of the most important things you can learn about. If this video helped you, subscribe. We post new money videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.